Hello, this is Yashwant Kumar Reddy, and this is my video presentation for Vectorshift front-end assessment. So let's quickly go through the UI. This is the nodes, and this is the canvas, and I'm going to grab the input here, and grab the text here, and then grab the output here. And let's see if the nodes are connecting. And let's quickly connect this one, and then we go from here to here. So there are like three nodes and two edges. So let's submit the pipeline and check if the same is this, and it does. And let's quickly check the variables. So let's have another variable, and then we have another variable, and as you can see, the variables expand as the user is giving its input, and based on the length of its array also increases. So does the count, and the variables get also get here. And then we also have small vertically stacked nodes that can be connected, and we also give a small tooltip if for the same. And let's quickly delete this. We will select this and give a backspace, and then user view, and then this also give you the backspace. And I extended the focus outline to blue color with an offset, so it is visually recognizable for me. And give a backspace, close space, backspace, and we are good to go. Let's quickly check the code of the project. So this is the folder structure. For backend. I only have the main OPI file, and for the front end, I have components, nodes, and pipeline, three folders. The components contain only the reusable components that are used across everywhere, and then the nodes contain all the nodes that we are currently having the toolbar, and the pipeline is like a home page, and that kind of goes the toolbar JS, submit JS, store JS, the things that are the canvas and the other adjacent components. So let's quickly go through the base node.js. This is the reusable JS file, which handles a node instruction. It is a wrapper, and all nodes use this, like import children, badge, and everything. And then we have the reusable components of form, which uses the node select and the node text area, which can be used to connect the nodes and to keep track of it. And then we have a node text area, which also helps in used across other nodes for consistency. And then we have the text node.js file, which uses just pattern and use effect. Use memo to keep with the performance, and each variable dynamically creates an input handle, and we get a handle position here to calculate the stack, and the calculate size function here gets the variable height and width, and changes the styling, I mean, dimensions accordingly. And then we have the global index for CSS file. We have put every global styles here, which can be used across the project at any given time. And we and then you can go through the backend main of your file, and this is the fast API backend with course. It receives the nodes and edges and counts them and checks if it's a valid DAGs and CANs algorithm. We are given a post endpoint which will take the payload of the nodes and edges and does the calculation, and then it turns with the cell. And that's it. I'm wrapping up this video. Thank you.